A few AI channels earn a $65 RPM. Everyone else stays around 12. It isn't the content or the niche. It's one audience signal YouTube rewards, but never explains. Let's isolate it. At 255, I'll reveal the metric behind a 5 times RPM gap. First, see the failure that exposed it. This channel made $17 in 3 months. The autopsy starts now. You followed the system. You built the Faceless channel. After 90 days, you made $17.43. You thought they're hiding something. You were right. Just not what you think. Most creators assume RPM is a content problem. Bad niche, wrong topic. So they pivot endlessly, chasing the RPM dragon while revenue stays flat. The bottleneck isn't your niche. 3 channels in the same niche can have RPMs of $8, $22, and $65. The variable splitting them is invisible in YouTube Studio. You must dig 2 layers deeper. That $17 isn't a content failure, it's a classification failure. YouTube's ad server doesn't know who you're talking to, serving generic remnant ads to everyone. The variable is audience signal clarity, not a surface metric, but how consistently your viewers fit a specific demographic bucket. When YouTube knows exactly who to target, advertisers pay a premium. When your audience is a vague crowd, it serves bottom-tier inventory. That $17 is a symptom of demographic noise. Here is what it costs you. Channel A covers AI tools for productivity. Broad demographics reveal a scattered pie chart of 15 slices, 22% here, 18% there, 7% across 6 more. YouTube's ad algorithm sees chaos. Without an audience signal, YouTube can't sell it to premium advertisers. So it enters the ad pool, RPM $11.40. Channel B targets AI tools for freelance video editors with 80% audience, 28 to 35-year-old males, top 10% income bracket. YouTube sees a signal, RPM $58.70. Same reviews, structure, specificity created a $47.30 gap per 1,000 views. Over 100,000 views, that's $4,730 left on the table because you targeted a crowd, not an audience. You think your audience is people interested in AI. That's a crowd. Crowds get 8 RPMs, audiences get 65. The difference is demographic specificity. Advertisers don't buy views, they buy access to people. Your job is to tell YouTube who you deliver. Fix niche down. But niches still contain crowds. AI for marketing has 15 demographic slices. The mechanism works at the script level, not the niche level. The variable is linguistic demographic signaling. Writing a hook for a crowd versus writing a hook for one specific person with one job, one problem, one income bracket. YouTube's ad algorithm reads the audience that responds to your hook, not your channel description. Your words are the targeting mechanism. RPM is determined before you record a single frame. In the first 3 sentences of your hook, general signal, general profile, remnant ads. Trigger, open your last script. Circle every phrase addressing a general audience. Everyone wants to be more productive. Crowd signals action. Rewrite for one person, one job title, one problem. That sentence signals a demographic. Advertisers pay for clarity. Output, a concentrated demographic bucket. Over 3 to 5 videos, your audience consolidates from 15 scattered slices to one dominant 80% slice. RPM climbs from $12 to $65. Same views, same niche, different ad inventory. I use TubeBuddy to verify demographic consolidation. But here is the bottleneck. Most people look at demographics and say interesting. They do not act. The tool shows the variable, you pull it. We isolated this across 4 channels. Same scripts, same voiceover, same thumbnails, only variable, hook specificity. Channel A addressed anyone who wants to automate their workflow. 1280 RPM, 17 slices, none above 19%. Channel B, 5840 RPM, 178% slice. 28 to 34 males, creative sector, 85K plus income. Second order effect, CPM did not just increase. It became sticky. RPM variance dropped from 31% swings to 4.2%. Advertisers were buying consistently. YouTube rewards predictable delivery. The linguistic signal created reliable ad inventory. Advertisers pay premium for reliability. You are not making videos, you are building ad inventory. Precision inventory commands premium pricing. That is how the marketplace has always worked. 12-month compounding. Crowd channel, 500,000 views, $12 RPM, $6,000. Audience channel, 500,000 views, $58 RPM, 29,000, same views, same effort. $23,000 gap from one script variable. The micro-demographic definition worksheet maps your exact signal clarity score. Link in description. Define the person, attract the person. YouTube sells access. That is the variable. Everything else is noise. 6 variables isolated, retention at 0.45. Expectation, match, session loops, timestamp, promise hook, library mode, audience signal clarity. One more bottleneck remains, the $10,000 per month killer. You stopped targeting everyone, you defined one viewer, one problem, one signal. The RPM climbed because the algorithm finally understood who you were for. $17 was never failure, it was noise. You isolated the signal. Post your micro-demographic definition in Discord. One sentence, one job title, one problem. $65 RPM or crowd. I will tell you, Precision Audit Live this Thursday. The variable is yours. Pull it.